Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a CV axle on a Nissan Sentra. First, gather your tools and ensure safety. Then, we'll lift the car, remove the wheel, and disconnect necessary suspension parts. Finally, we'll carefully remove the old axle, preparing for the new one. This guide makes the process straightforward and manageable for you. To remove the old axle, begin by loosening the large axle nut. You might need to drain some transmission fluid if your model requires it. Next, separate the lower ball joint and the tie rod end to allow the steering knuckle to move freely. Carefully pull the old axle out from the transmission, being mindful of the seal. Always inspect that seal for any signs of damage. Now, let's install the new axle. First, apply a thin layer of grease to the new axle splines for easier insertion. Carefully slide the new axle into the transmission, ensuring it seats properly. Reconnect all the suspension components you previously detached, making sure they are secure. Finally, tighten the axle nut to the manufacturer's specified torque, which is crucial for safety. To finish up, reinstall the wheel and carefully lower your Nissan Sentra. If you drained any transmission fluid, be sure to refill it to the correct level. Take the vehicle for a short test drive to ensure everything is functioning properly. Listen for any unusual noises and check for any fluid leaks. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your CV axle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.